Welcome to Orange Group. Today, what you need to do first of all is make sure you have a sticker in your maths book. You need today's date, which at the time of recording is the 4th of the 4th of the 16th. Make sure you've got the right dates in your book. And then, what we'd like you to do is you are going to make your own Venn diagram, but this time, you're going to have to come up with the labels for your Venn diagram on your own. What kind of features do we know that shapes have? Well, we know they've got faces, they've got edges, and they've got vertices. So, in my case, I'm going to try to come up with some labels. So let's see, let's do something with faces. So let's say any shapes that have got two faces, let's say, no, not two faces, let's go for any shape that's got four faces or less. So let's put that up here, so put the number in the box. So let's say this circle has got four faces or less. Okay, and then this circle, well, we've done faces, let's go for vertices. So let's go for any shapes with let's say 5 or more vertices. Okay, now you can completely change this and come up with something completely different if you want. Okay, because it is your Venn diagram. Right. Now, after you've decided what you're going to label each of your circles in your Venn diagram, you also need some of these. Okay, so we've got loads of different shapes for you to choose from. Okay, now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get a pair of scissors and cut out some of the shapes to put into your Venn diagram. Now, obviously, I'm not going to cut out all these cubes because I only need one or two. Okay, so let's see what we have to do next. Alright, so here's a couple of those shapes that I've cut out. So I've got a couple of cubes and I've got a couple of cones. Now, obviously, you'll probably need more shapes than this, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you these. Right then. So the first one I'm going to start off with, let's do the cube first. Now, if you can't tell how many sides, how many faces a cube has, feel free to go and get yourself the actual shape from the box, okay, and actually have a look at how many faces or edges or vertices that shape actually has. So in this case, I know for a fact that a cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. So it can't go in here because this is for shapes with 4 faces or less. Does it have 5 or more vertices? Well, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I know there's another one like that, 8. So it's got 8 vertices, so I know I can stick this cube into this part of my Venn diagram. Okay? So now onto a cone, so let's see. So again, if you're not quite sure what the shape actually looks like, I might actually go and get the shape from the box and actually have a look at a proper cone. Okay, so let's have a look. Does a cone have 4 faces or less? 1, 2, and yes, I definitely know it's only got 2 faces, so it could go in there. Does it have 5 or more vertices? Well, actually, that's up for debate, but no, a cone doesn't have any vertices. So actually, my cone would stay in there. What I want to do is try to get at least several different shapes in my Venn diagram, or around my Venn diagram if it doesn't fit. Okay, now don't panic if none of your 3D shapes fit inside your Venn diagram. As long as you can show us that you know that your 3D shapes go on the outside of our Venn diagram, okay, and they don't fit your labels, that still shows us that you understand how to sort different 3D shapes. Now, once you think you finish your Venn diagram, okay, ask a partner to check your learning, okay, and if they say, yep, it's fantastic, move on to green group and put your maths book away. Good luck.